Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. Today's our topic Need of Standard Unit. Objectives: to understand the importance of the standard unit of weight, to know how much a kilogram is. Today, let's start with reading of telephonic conversation between Rishi and his aunt. Rishi's aunt stays in Nagpur. During her vacations, she comes to Delhi to meet Rishi's family. Do you know that Nagpur is very famous for its juicy oranges? Read the telephonic conversation between Rishi and his aunt to know what happened. Rishi: Hi auntie, when are you coming home to see me? His auntie: After a week, my dear. Do you want me to get something for you? Yes, I want the juicy oranges that you always get for me. Okay, how many oranges do you want? Get me oranges equal to the weight of my 10 notebooks. Rishi thinks, when I get so many oranges, I will ask mom to make fresh orange juice for me and my friends. After a few days, Rishi's aunt brings 5 oranges only. Rishi feels very disappointed to look at the number of oranges. I was hoping to get many more oranges. Rishi: I thought your notebooks didn't weigh much, said Rishi's auntie. Let's see what happened in their conversation. Children, what did Rishi want his auntie to get for him from Nagpur? Rishi wanted to get oranges for him from Nagpur. What quantity of oranges did he request to bring for him? He requested to bring the oranges equal to the weight of his 10 notebooks. Why do you think Rishi's auntie got only 5 oranges for him? Rishi's auntie thought his notebooks didn't weigh much. Can we use notebook as a standard unit? Let's see how did the weight of notebook get changes. Children, we cannot use notebook as a standard unit. Let's see why. I want to measure the weight of this pencil case. Here, I am using this notebook as a standard unit. See here. See here. The pencil case weight is almost equal to one notebook. But here, if I change this notebook with the other one, then let's see what will happen. Now, see children, the pencil box is lighter than the notebook. First time, when I weigh the pencil box with this notebook, then the pencil box was almost equal to the weight of this notebook. But I changed the notebook. So this time the pencil box is lighter. So that's why we cannot use the notebook as a standard unit out of our class. Children, see this. This is a vegetable shop. See all vegetables. Brinjal, flower, green chili, tomatoes. There potatoes, then after that onions, See, this is the vegetable market. भैया मला पाव किलो टोमॅटो द्या ना. See, this is also one type of measuring unit or balance. पाव किलो पाहिजे भैया. See how he is measuring. Children, see, when the two pan are at equal level, it means the weight of these tomatoes is 250 grams. पाव किलो means 250 grams. भैया आता मला अर्धा किलो मिरची द्या. See children, see here, अर्धा किलो, half kg. See, this is half kg.
500 ग्राम आहे चला.
See, no, this is a grocery shop. He is a shopkeeper. His name is Shankar Rao. भैया मला ना 2 किलो तांदूळ द्या. Here, भैया is giving me 2 kg rice. See, here is the weighing machine. See, the machine is showing the weight. As per that, Bhaiya is removing and adding the rice. See, it is 2 kg. 2.00 means it is 2 kg. भैया आता मला 5 किलो गहू द्या.
बर.
हाँ. Now see children, he is measuring wheat. Now see the weight. It is more than 5 kg, so he removed. Now see it is. Now see it is exact 5 kg. Thank you, Bhaiya. Children, just you have watched the video of vegetable market and grocery shop. Now take the instruments that they use to measure weight. Now children, see this. Observe the weights given below and read the measure of weight written on them. See, this is the weight of 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg, and this is 50 kg. This is a weighing machine which we use to measure our weight. Let's measure my weight. It's 40.8 kg. Let's measure Priyami's weight. It's 50.4 kg. There are different types of machines are available. Let's see few examples. Digital weighing machine. Digital weighing machines are more accurate and easy to read. Analog weighing machine. The analog weighing machines has a gauge that points to the weight. Analog weighing machines are not as accurate as the digital weighing machines. Smart weighing machine. This is more advanced form of digital weighing machine. Electronic digital machine. These machines are plugged into the power socket to show the weight. These machines are generally used in the shops and malls. Baby weighing machine. This weighing machine is specially designed to measure the weight of babies. and generally used in the hospitals. So children, weight is the standard unit of measurement. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy.